DJI's newest drone can fly in heavy rain. Ooh, I like that visual that you just gave me. Just a drone flying in heavy rain.
Well, you're going to like the footage.
And has its own robotic dock. The DJI Matrice 30 Enterprise isn't a hobby drone, though. That means it's only for the pros?
Yes.
Ooh. Wasn't there a game called Heavy Rain?
Yes.
Did you play it?
I have not.
It's very dramatic.
Yeah.
I played a little bit of that.
It was...
Oh my God. It's like it's intense and sad, and it's not like other games you play.
Yeah.
Just putting it out there. Anyway, this one flies in heavy rain.
Yes.
You wouldn't believe it. State of the art. It took a barrage of water in the marketing videos. And the fine print says snow and heavy rain are not okay for flying. Oh, okay. But DJI's weather sealing confidence rating have improved. So it can do it, but just like not too. But then then they say elsewhere, not in the fine print.
I guess it's made for heavy duty rain.
Yeah.
But I mean, like any drone, you have to be careful.
No, I know, but it's like they say the fine print PDF says one thing, and then the marketing says anyway.
Oh yeah.
Heavy rain, high winds, high altitudes, even in icy and snowy conditions from minus 20 Celsius to 50 Celsius. Wow. M30 is more portable than practically any of the company's other industrial drones. This is sick. Oh my goodness gracious. We got much love, $100.
Wow.
Holy.
Out. 2-bit bears? Is that right? 2-bit bears? Am I reading that? It's really far, Mo. You got to help me out here. 2-bit bears.
Yeah.
Wow. Shout out.
Yeah, big time shout out.
It's less than 10 pounds.
8.2 pounds. Yeah, I mean, it
looks pretty compact.
Yeah, it looks like some of their consumer stuff they're putting out, but obviously it's not. I presume it's a lot more expensive too. Talking about 41-minute flight time. Oh, it comes with the case like that?
Yeah.
Look at the oil rigs in the back. Look at this. See the heavy rain going on? Oh, man. Really... Let's go with the drone like that. It's getting hit with the rain, no problem. No problemo. And it launches out the back of your pickup truck and then lands back in there.
Wow.
I feel like you could do something like this, Mo. A guy like you roll up the pickup truck and just deploy. Everyone's like, well, who is this guy?
Yeah, it's like the was it the Polestar that had the drone that came off?
It was the
Polestar.
Yeah, it was. You're right.
O2, I believe.
Yeah, it's kind of like that. Wow. But I guess is the camera still? It's got to be able to perform really well in low light. I'm assuming if it's raining, it's not bright sunny.
Mo.
Right?
Mo.
Yeah, I'm guessing. I don't think it has the specs here listed, but
41-minute
flight.
That's pretty good.
That's amazing. 41-minute flight time.
All the sensors, cameras.
But what about price? They didn't tell us the price at all. Industrial drone, couple grand. Handful of grands. You know, it doesn't say here on this article. Maybe. Nope. Still no. It integrates a 48 megapixel half-inch CMOS sensor. It can do 12 megapixel wide angle, 8K photo, 4K 30 video. Okay. Play the clip. Play this clip. Oh, it's a GIF. Here we go. What?
Oh, that's in air. Oh, what? Is it okay?
Wow. It's doing loop-de-loops.
It's like you can't crash me. It's kind of like a barrel roll almost.
Yeah, what was? That's crazy.
How the DJI M300 RTK's impressive 3-propeller emergency landing mode works to help the drone maintain stability.
Oh. That's an emergency landing. It just like freaks out.
Well, actually, no, because it's recovering from a motor failure. It can lose one motor. So that's the motor failing, and this is it catching its balance.
Oh, wow. This all of a sudden became amazing.
Yeah.
That's user-friendly.
Did you ever crash a drone before?
I've gotten really close. I haven't crashed it, though. But to be fair, I've only flown a drone a few times.
Okay.
I have.
Oh, there you go. It starts at 10 grand. Fashion. Starts at 10 grand.
Whoa. But I guess that makes sense.
And then the upgraded model over there is 14,000. It's industrial. It's for industrial application, but very cool, Will. Well done.
Yeah.
You knocked it out of the park, Will.